Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate compound interest in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn how to how to calculate compound interest, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a compound interest calculator. Okay, and this is the compound interest calculator. In here you will see description. This is the value, principal, rate and time. Okay, then here you will see year, principal, interest, compound interest. Okay, now if I change the value or change the principal amount to 50,000 to 40,000, okay, you will see all the value will be changed. Okay, if it is 40,000, okay, not 400, it should be 40,000. Okay, so how to just create this calculator in your Excel sheet. So in this video you will learn how to do it. Here first I am going to delete all these things. Okay, then here you will see this is principal amount, this is rate of interest, and this is time. So you can choose the principal account amount according to your choice, and then here you can change the rate of interest. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just equals to what is the principal amount, it is 40,000, just enter. Then interest, what is the interest, equals to, then principal amount into this is the rate of interest. So this should be rate of interest. Then you have to just log this C6 cell. Okay, so I'm going to log this. You have to just press F4, and so this will be the principal amount, this will be the interest amount, and then for compound interest. Okay, for compound interest you have to just equals to principal plus interest. So this will be the interest amount and the end of the year. So this is the principal compound interest amount end of the first year. Okay, then what you have to do again, equals to, this should be the principal, this will be the principal. Okay, principal amount of the second year, starting of the second year. Then interest, just drag down it, this will be the interest, and this will be the compound interest amount end of the second year. Okay, now just paste it. Okay, like this, just drag down to the bottom, and so if we have a principal amount of 40,000 and rate amount is 5%, then end of the ninth year you will see the principal compound interest amount will be 62,055 rupees. Okay, so like this you can create calculator, compound interest calculator in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for